Hey guys, I just want to show you something. As soon as you join, I want you to go to Purchase Positions, hit the drop-down menu, and look at all the levels. Okay, it costs $35 for the first level. You're already in that. That's what I got you into. Now the second level is 60 Tron. Tron is about 5 cents right now, so it costs about $20 to go to level 5. I want you to try and go at least to level 5, and I'm going to show you why. If you go to Matrix Positions, this is before putting people in, getting any referrals. This is how you make money without referrals. So your matrix ID, the position is 735 when I first started. That meant that in the program, 735 positions had to be filled for me to cycle automatically without any referrals. And I did. As soon as you cycle, they put you in again to cycle again. As you can see, I've cycled 11 times on bronze level 1. Okay, now if you scroll down, if you look on level 2, my position was 166, which meant 166 out of the whole program, people had to upgrade to level 2 for me to cycle. And you see I did. They put me back in, I cycled again. Now I'm waiting for 426, that position, and I'll cycle that. As you go down, when you purchase, here on level 3, I was position 80. On level 4, I was position 67. So you see why it's beneficial to buy the higher levels, because you get the lower position. It only took 44 people to upgrade on level 5 for me to cycle. And then 91, and now I'm waiting for 185. So the higher levels that you go, the lower your position is, because a lot of people aren't on the higher levels yet, which means that you cycle first, no matter when you get in the program. You could come in the program now, go to level 10, which actually I did. I went to level 10 right away. And as you can see on level 10, my position was 20. So when 20 people upgraded to level 10, I cycled. So I cycled on level 10. I went to the silver level. I'm waiting to cycle there. See, my position is 24. But look on level 2, my position was 14. So I actually cycled 2 before I cycled 1. And I actually cycled the higher levels before the lower levels because more people were waiting to cycle these levels. So now I want you to do this. Go back up here and go to Promotional Center. Click on the first link of the splash page. And click on compensation plan, and go to the first chart. Okay, so this is what it costs to go into a level. You only have to buy this once. The rest, the re-entries are free. Here are your commissions. Now the commissions you have to double because you get 2 people on each level. So every time you cycle level 1, you get 10 Tron. Every time you cycle level 2, you get 30, 40, 60, 70, and so on. This is just without any referrals. In fact, you want to upgrade the positions before you put the referrals in, and I'll tell you why. Because you do get a referral bonus, okay? But one thing I want to go over before that. Level 5 and level 10 is an infinity boost. So when you cycle level 5, they put you back into level 5, but then you get a position on level 1. When you cycle level 10, they put you back in level 10 and you get a position on level 1, 2, and 3, which is really awesome because it helps the matrix keep going and it doesn't stall, which has always been a problem in the past when we've done matrices. Now look at the referral bonus. The people that you bring in will not be, they'll be in your downline, but they won't be in your matrix. You'll get 2 strangers in your matrix because it's an automatic cycle. It's a team build. But for bringing the people in, as soon as you pay it forward with 35 Tron for your first person, you get 12 Tron back. So it's actually like you're paying 23 Tron to get them in. Now, every time they upgrade or every time they cycle on the level, this is what you get. This is your commission. So if somebody comes in and upgrades to level 3, you get 20. If they cycle 5 times automatically without any referrals, you get 100 Tron. So it really adds up. And your commission really adds up. That's the benefit of getting referrals, but you don't have to, because with the first way to make money you're making money through your own commissions just by leveling up. So like I said, when you join the program, try and go to level 5 as soon as you can. Use the profits, go to level 10, or if you want to go all in, go to level 10. It doesn't really cost that much because Tron is only 5 cents right now. But that's the way, you know, you can really make a lot of money with this program. And I just wanted to tell you that because this is so awesome. I mean, if, you know, previously in programs before, people didn't want to bring in people on a team build because they weren't going in their matrix, which I can understand that. They're doing all the work. But here, you're actually getting paid for it over and over again. So they kind of took care of that with the referral bonus, the stalling with the re-intro levels. And it's just really an awesome program, guys. I'm doing great with it. I want you to do great with it. There's really nothing to it. I mean, there's no Zooms, there's no videos to learn. It's basically you come in, you buy the positions, and you really just wait for the money to come in. If you have any questions, you could always call me, text me, and just let me know, you know, how you're doing with it. All right, great, guys. Thanks.